Anything else but that. The management is in front of us. It's our time as workers to speak and say, give us what we need.
Amen.
Our families are some employee accepted the proposal of a 14th check in order to have no rent. Enough is enough. We need improvement in this management. We have read that the management is saying they are sitting with almost 200 million of the money already of customers. We have read that they have received a 3.8% tariff increase. We have run the numbers and we're asking ourselves, what is stopping this management from providing us with a 6%? We have to talk to this manager and say, can you spread the 6%? They don't want to listen to that. And we are here today telling them, enough is enough. We want a 6%. That's why I'm on my knees as a form, despite this thing not working when I'm standing, but I'm also on my knees showing that I'm here in front of you, begging you for your commitment to remain united and disciplined in our fight for 6%. We, the employees of Northland Electricity,